Why do I lose things?
Lost something? The average person loses something like, and this is crazy, 1 year of their lifetime just looking for things.
Imagine what that adds up to in huge factories. But luckily, AIoT can help.
Yeah, tool locators like Find My Phone app will be really sophisticated, and tools will be connected too.
Yes, real Industry 4.0 stuff, combining people, machines, and data.
Systems using real-time data and machine learning will be more efficient. So Camilla, what's Bosch doing with this?
I can tell you. At Tranås, Sweden, they are creating a factory of the future based on automation, smart solution, and AIoT. Smart tools will know exactly what to do, where, in what order, and no manuals needed. And self-guiding transportation robots will know when you're out of stock and when to pick up assembled parts and bits, all connected to the same system. You can even add a connected floor.
Brilliant.
Bosch and AIoT.
A smart connection.
Has anyone seen my keys? Who put my keys